It's my pleasure to do this. I'm enjoying it, putting these videos together and stuff, because, my culture, I love my Jamaican culture. I am a Jamaican born and raised. I grew up in Spanish Town, and trust me, man, Jamaica, man, the culture that raised me and made me what I am today. And I'm so grateful. So thank you guys for giving me this opportunity. It is my passion. This is something that's very special to me. It's my pleasure to be sharing Jamaican patois with the world, sharing Jamaican culture with the world, and other aspects of Jamaican culture, and doing my little part to help preserve our rich culture for generations to come. We're a big happy family over here. So I'm gonna come in and enjoy positivity, enjoy the love, and we're going to chat Jamaican patois. I'll be adding some other things, like showing some of the things that I do when I go back home. And I'll show you some of my cooking Jamaican food that I prepared. Enjoy the culture. This is a place to be. Right, yes, sir? Over here, your favorite place. All right, so we're going to have so much fun. It's just all love, one love. And I am so grateful. I'm thankful from the bottom of my heart, as I say in a Jamaican patois.